Okay, welcome back to our channel once again. Let's continue with the previous section. Okay, let's don't waste our don't waste our time much more. Let's simply switch back to the assembly. Okay, everything is perfect. No changes here. Let's click on insert. Uh, Choose the last parts which we have designed. We don't need the gear. Okay, yeah, these are the parts we needed. Okay, now we forgot one more thing. The motor shaft. Okay, cool. We got it. Now, I'm not going to do much more here. It's very simple. I'm just copying the existing motor parts, copy them, and paste here. And what I'm going to do is select this part, right click, replace part 35, and choose the replacement, choosing the existing one, that is this one. Okay, it's not being replaced. It's not working. Never, no worries. Delete this here. Okay, it doesn't have the center. Forgot to add it. Okay, no worries. We have to make a hole to this. So let's stick with for now. Center, not this one, on the other side center, and save it. Okay, let's switch back to the modification. I want to see everything is correctly aligned. Okay, it should be 1 mm. Right click, edit, offset, give 1 mm. It should be negative. Save it. Okay, delete these, delete this as well. Now let's fit this assembly. It should be rotating, it should be fixed. Okay, so leave it made, select the inside edge and select this edge and save it. Okay, and let's first animate this one, the shaft. Cool, everything done. Now let's fit this here. It should be fitted in this way, which means I'm going to use, it should be fast made, remember. Okay, then only it can able to rotate this part. Okay, now save it. Okay, let's find the distance on this to this because it is important. It's currently 0.856, and here it was chosen. I think search to this edge is zero point 0.5. It's only 0.5. Okay, so let's edit the first and mate. Let's edit it. 0.856, right? 0.356. Okay, it should be minus. Now save it. Now it is perfect. Now let's put the motor. Choose first mate. Select center of the motor and choose here. It should be aligned correctly. Click solve. Change the orientation and save it. Do the same fitting. Select center. It should be now. It should be cylinder, not a wheel. Remember, okay? Because the shaft may move in and out during its position. Let's keep it cylinder so it won't move front and back. So it won't disturb the other mechanisms. Okay, let's rotate it manually. Okay, now let's animate this motor. So as you can see, we have clearly connected it. So well guys, before we actually link this with Revolut Mate, right? So instead of Revolut Mate, use cylindrical mate. Okay. So because of we choose Revolut Mate is unable to move up and down. So which is why unable to rotate it. So let's switch to cylindrical mate and save it. Now if you can see this part is going to move. Okay. Yeah, there you go. But the thing is it is going to oscillate up and down. So need to change the position. Yeah. Okay. In real world it won't work, but in order to work it, we have to add some limitations to this cylinder mate and it will work. In real world, it should work, not right? Because we going to maintain construction constraints, right? So that's why. So let me animate for now. So let's see how does it works. Where is the yeah? I am going to animate it and let's try how does it work. So there you go. So as it's taking 360 degrees rotation, so it will show both right and left turns. Okay, but actually we need to maintain limits because uh, it should not go up completely. Yeah, this position should be down, not upwards. Okay, so if you observe the rotation will truck steering will work. Okay, so that's all for the video, guys. If you really like this series, that turning our normal model into a RC model in Onshape CAD software. If you really like this series, if you really love such like this content, please let me know in the comment box. I will create a videos and make tutorials on how to design these in real world as well. Okay.
And thanks for watching, and thank you for your time. Have a nice day, guys.